Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, we are going to be doing some yoga to relax and relieve stress. Of course, stress is an inevitable part of life, but it's a problem when it's ongoing because it starts to build up and create tension in your body that can lead to pain and all kinds of other issues. So it's important that you take time for yourself to relax and unwind so you can let go and relieve that stress. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. So go ahead and roll out your mat and let's get ready to relax and flow. So we're going to begin our practice sitting comfortably on your mat. This is going to be a gentle, easy flow. So make yourself comfortable sitting in your seat. Let your hands relax down on your lap. And we'll just start by closing your eyes and taking some time to get grounded and centered. So when you're feeling stressed, the mind is in chaos. The thoughts are busy and fast moving. But take these moments to tune into your breath, feeling the flow of your inhale and your exhale. And just allow your breath to be your primary focus in this moment. And when you slow down your breathing, you begin to slow down your heart rate and slow down your nervous system, allowing you to enter into a space of relaxation and ease. Then slowly lower your right ear to your right shoulder and roll your chin down through center and over to the left. And we'll move the other way, rolling your chin down and let your head fall over to the right. And we'll just repeat this pattern, slowly rolling your head from right to left. Let it coordinate with your breathing. So the movement complements the flow of your breath. Just feeling the neck stretch as you roll your head from side to side. And gently let your head roll back up to center. Then place your fingertips to the floor behind you. Gently lift through your chest and lean your right ear to your right shoulder. Then roll your chin up and around and roll your head to the left. So we're going back and forth, essentially repeating the same movement, just rocking the head from side to side. And now we're focusing on stretching across the front of the neck, just slow and easy, rocking the head side to side. And gently roll your head back to center. Now sweep your left arm up and over, taking a nice stretch along the left side body. Reaching through your fingertips as you stretch through your waist. Inhale your breath as you roll your gaze up towards the sky. Then exhale and slowly roll your heart down towards the earth, letting your left fingertips touch down to the ground. Folding your heart down over that right knee. Breathe into the stretch along the left side of your low back. Then we'll inhale back to the side, reaching your fingertips over to the right Then slowly inhale and rise. Sweep your left hand across to your right knee, making your way into a gentle twist to the right. Lift up through the crown of your head, giving you more space to leverage into a deeper twist. Then circle your right arm up and over, reaching towards the left. Maintain the twist as you stretch through the right side body. Then we'll slowly rise, coming up to center. Then cross that right arm all the way over to the left. Tuck your chin down to your chest and gently lean back, stretching that space between your shoulder blades and your upper back. Then gently make your way all the way back up to center. Now open your arms out wide as you can. Stretch your heart forward. Then slowly close your palms together in front of you. Interlace your fingers here. Flip your palms to the front. Then scoop your belly in, tucking your chin. Round your spine and stretch your back. And we'll inhale and rise up to the center, pressing your palms towards the sky. Then exhale your breath and slowly float your arms back down to the earth. Then we'll move to the second side, sweeping your right arm up and over. So we start by stretching through the right side of your waist. Reach out through those right fingertips so the arm is extended as you reach. Then we'll inhale and roll your gaze to the sky, opening through your heart. Exhale and slowly roll your chest down, folding over your left leg. Let the right fingers touch down to the mat as you reach out through that right arm. Breathe into your low back as you fold over your left knee, just allowing for that spaciousness and the depth of your breath. Then we'll come back to the side. Inhale as you look up under that right arm. Then we'll slowly rise and sweep your right hand over to the left leg. Lift up tall through your spine to leverage yourself into a deeper twist. Get a deep rotation through the spine as you spiral your heart around. Then we'll reach your left arm up and over, stretching towards that left or towards that right side, twisting your heart to the left as you reach up and over to the right. And we'll slowly rise, coming all the way up. Circle that left hand across to your right knee. Tuck your chin to your chest as you round through your spine and stretch your back body. And we'll gently return, coming all the way up. Open your arms out wide like you're giving the whole world a hug. Then close your hands together in front of you and interlace your fingers. Flip your palms forward as you tuck your belly in, rounding through your spine. We stretch the back. Inhale to rise, lifting up, pressing your palms high. Then we'll exhale and slowly circle your hands down. Let your fingertips touch down to the floor behind you. On your next inhale, lift your heart, roll your shoulders on your back, peeling your chest open. And slowly return to center and let your hands rest onto your knees. We'll move into some seated cat and cow, linking the movement with your breath. So inhale to roll your heart open, and exhale to round back, stretching your spine. Inhale to open, nice big deep breath. Then exhale to pull it in. Squeeze through your core. Then inhale to rise, rolling your shoulders down and back. And exhale to curl it back in. And slowly coming back to center, we're going to transition to hands and knees. So bringing your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips, we're going to move into this cat and cow again. Inhale to lift your heart, lift your tail. Then exhale to round your spine and scoop it in, pressing your spine to the sky. Inhale to open, stretching your belly long. Then we'll exhale and curl it in. Squeeze through your core. Inhale to lift and open. Then exhale to round it in. And slowly making your way back to neutral, we're going to begin to make big circles with the ribs. So pressing your spine to the sky, reach your ribs to the right, and then down to center and over to the left. So we keep making those big circles with the spine. You can close your eyes here if that feels good, allowing yourself to really tune in to the movement. And when you're ready, you can begin to reverse direction, making big circles with the ribs, circling in the other direction, just rolling the rib cage around, mobilizing your spine, and breathing slow and steady. And when you're ready, we'll resolve the movement, coming back to center. And now we're going to make some big circles again. This time, shift your heart forward over your hands. Then circle your hips to the left, to the back, and to the right. And coming forward again. So now we're making big circles with the whole body, mobilizing the hips, the shoulders, your wrists, and your knees. And we can begin to reverse the curve, making big circles the other way. Feeling into that flow. Let your breath lead the way as you circle it around. And we'll slowly return to center, making your way back into your tabletop. Let's walk your hands forward to the front of your mat. Then let your heart soften down towards the earth. Let your chest melt towards the mat. Breathe into your shoulders and soften that space behind your heart. Just letting all of that stress and tension melt out of your heart and just spill out onto the floor. And sink your hips back to your heels. Let yourself settle into child's pose. Take some slow, deep breaths here. And then glide your arms down alongside your body, letting your palms rest towards the sky. Let your shoulders round forward, relaxing any tension across the top of your neck, the top of the shoulders, or behind the shoulder blades. Just let it melt as you breathe. slow and deep. Then gently glide your hands back under your shoulders. Press yourself up to kneeling. And then glide your hips over to one side and cross your legs in front of you, just sitting in a comfortable seat. So we come back to the place where we first began our practice. And as you settle in here, notice the changes. Observe what feels different in your body and in your mind. Bring your hands together at your heart in a gesture of gratitude. Thank yourself for making time to take care of yourself. Thank yourself for making the effort and honoring yourself in this practice. I'm so grateful to be a part of this journey with you, and I hope you are feeling more relaxed and at peace. I look forward to practicing with you again soon. Until then, namaste.